friends! Welcome back to Mezzy Life. Ang low ng aking energy. Kabuwanan ko na. I'm waiting 2.5 weeks bago ang aking due date. Kaya ako parang patigil-tigil magtrabaho. Anyways, nagpapak ako ng order. Itong aking mga nabenta. Reading glasses, lipstick, pilik mata. Tapos mga nail polish. Ito medyo marami tayong nabenta sa eBay. Mga damit, ito ay dress, pantalon, at isang coat or blazer. Ayan. Itong dress at pantalon ay galing din. Itong dalawa ay ito, tatlo ata. Ah! You scare me! You scare me! It's nice outside, right? It's nice outside. Ito pa. Ito, di ba nakatambak? Ang dami ko nang nabenta. Yung aking yarn na binenta ko. Tapos, 3 ganito. Parang baby rattle charms. 3 piraso. Isang buyer lang. And I also sold 2 of this corkscrew. Pareho, isang buyer. And then, I forgot what you call this one. Basta parang leggings na sobrang nipis. Para magmukhang makinis ang legs. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Anyway, yan. Isa yan. Tapos, isang set ng 2 hairbrush. Isang set ng malaking bag para sa Halloween decor. So, katatapos lang ng Halloween. So, syempre, nililigpit na yung mga Halloween decoration na yan. So, they need the bag. Isa nito, League of Legends. Isang sapatos. Ay, hindi, tsinelas to na Nike. Ayan, nabenta natin sa eBay. I just don't know if I need to ship it in the box or ganito na lang. Ito naman ay isang garment bag. Galing din ito sa aking last Amazon return pallet, itong 2. Tapos ito ay, parang light, vanity light, yung pang CR, yung 3 piraso. So, ayan yung mga online orders ko. And then, meron pang isang sapatos dito sa Facebook group buyer. This is going to Florida. And then, ito naman, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 na sapatos. Isang buyer lang din yan. Friend ko sa Arizona. So, ayan. Oh, hinihingal ako. Ang bilis ko mapagod, friends. Alam nyo, patigil-tigil ako ng trabaho kanina pa kasi hinihingal ako. Oh, ang dali kong hingalin. Pahinga konti. Tingnan natin yung mag-aama. Nilalaro nila yung mga dahon. Busy sila. This is our front yard kapag taglagas. I love the colors.
I'm waiting for Daddy to blow these leaves.
Oh, you're gonna clean with Daddy?
When you just jump to that, then when you can dump it, you just open it.
Oh, like that.
And do you see how I hold it? The back of there, actually here,
Yeah.
has to go here.
Okay.
So this is how you hold it.
Okay, that's how you hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, and it feels stable.
Yeah.
Look at the
And
colors.
it's like you chop to get it.
You have pockets? Let me see. What, is there anything in your pocket? Oh, Daddy.
I'm gonna go from the other side of the block.
Yeah, because Daddy's gonna burn it. Daddy will blow the leaves. Ang ganda ng kulay, pero nakakapagod na trabaho na maglinis ng dahon. Ayan, tuloy na tayo ng pagpapak habang busy ang aking mag-aama sa labas. Ang bagal ko mag-pack. Isang oras na ako mula kanina nag-start magtrabaho. Tapos, hindi pa rin ako tapos. Kasi patigil-tigil ako dahil nga sa aking tiyan. Nanghihinayang ako sa oras. Pero, syempre, we just do what we can. Yes?
Mommy, how much minutes until you're gonna be done?
Nagtatanong na siya. Well, I started 10:30. So, it's now 11:22. So, 12:30, it's about an hour.
1 hour.
Look how much I would need to pack. Naurasan pa ako.
7 minutes.
No, thank you.
What if I help you for 25 minutes?
You want to help me so that I will be faster?
Hey, Mommy. I know if I tell you that, you will give me money. So, the,
Okay, you can help me.
it's gonna be, if I do 30 minutes, then you give me $3. But if I do 35,
So $1 per 10 minutes.
and the cents can only go up to 9.
Okay. This is number 2. You have to weigh them and then put number. Yung aking anak ay nagmamadali dahil napangakuan mag-ice cream. Here.
0 pounds and 8.9.
Okay, that's number 4. Okay, this is number 6. So, what is the weight?
3 pounds and not 8.9.
$15? Okay, good. So, nakita nyo, pinak ko tapos winaway niya kanina. Tapos sasabihin niya sa akin yung weight, tapos nilalagyan niya ng number para alam namin yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Para pag nilagyan ng label, hindi kami malilito or hindi siya malilito. Tapos na namin ipak yung mga eBay na tinulungan ako ni Lucas. Ito na yung isang sapatos na pupunta sa i-ship ko sa Florida through Facebook yan. And then ito naman yung 4 na sapatos na going to Arizona. Pero mabigat, malalayo kasi. So sabi ko sa aking friend, remove this from the box.
This side.
Ayan. So we can, so 4 boxes turned into 2 boxes. At yung takip. So yung 4 na pares ng sapatos, pinagsama-sama ko siya sa bali 2 pares sa isa. Medyo malayo kasi nasa east kami, North Carolina. So mahal ang shipping. So sabi ko sa kanya, para makasave siya ng shipping. Ayun nga, actually sabi ko tatagalin ko sa box, pero pwede na to. Okay.
Hey, Mommy, can you hold it up for 20 seconds?
Okay. Not a good idea. Fine. Oh, careful. Alrighty. Thank you. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Yeah, way faster. Wala na ba? Oh, we got everything. That's for the blue. Tapos na kami mag-pack ni Lucas. Thank you, Lucas, for helping Mommy.
Give me my money.
Give me my money. I have to pay him. Wait, you actually started at 11:22. So, 47 minutes.
47?
Yeah, you work for 47 minutes. So, how much are you earning?
So $4.07?
70.
70 cents.
Yeah. $4. I think I have 70.
70 cents.
That's where he put his money.
When you fold.
You still have money in there?
No. Just coins, I think.
Yeah, that's money.
Acorn.
Kanina nagpa kami ni Lucas, di ba? Tapos aalis na sana kami, magde-deliver. Tapos mag-ice cream sana kami kasi gusto ni Lucas mag-ice cream. Kaya lang, natulog si Andrew kasi ang aga niya nagising. So, usually pag nakadalawang oras na ako, okay na ako, hindi na ako mag-work. Pero, ayun nga, dahil tulog naman si Andrew, sabi ko, sige mag-work pa ako. So, extended ang aking work time. So ngayon, eto na lang sa lahat ng mga sapatos na aking tinatrabaho, yung ano na lang, pambata na lang yung hindi ko natrabaho. So actually, ang dami ko nang nabenta. Siguro sa lahat ng pangmatanda, 1/3 na yung aking nabenta ng mga sapatos. Kung napanood niyo yung unboxing video ng Kohl's Liquidation, nakabenta na ako ng mga 40 to 50 pairs sa Facebook pa lang yun. Well, and few din sa eBay and Mercari. So, ayun, that's really good. Naka-money back na tayo. So, lahat ng mga natitirang product dito ay puro profit ko na. So, I'm really happy about the Kohl's liquidation. And ito na nga yung last batch na hindi ko pa natrabaho, mga pambata. Nung sa unboxing, ang dami kong sinabi na, oh, ito pambata. But when I did my product research, na-realize ko, pang matanda pala yun, mukha lang pambata. Anyway, ito lang yung pambata. Kaunti lang talaga siya. So, isosort ko muna siya by size. Okay, tapos na. Okay, friends. Tapos na ako mag-work. Extra 30 minutes ako ng me time. Naka 30 minutes ako, napicturean ko lahat ng mga sapatos na pambata. So, happy ako dyan kasi I had extra me time. Yan ang aking me time. Work is my me time. I think nasabi ko na rin naman to sa aking mga video vlogs before na yung business ko, itong trabaho na to is also my me time. This is my happy place also. May nagtanong sa akin dati, meron akong nakabanding na mommy ng classmate ni Lucas sa gymnastic class. Tapos tinanong niya ako, so what do you do on your own time? Parang, what do you do for yourself? Ano yung hobby mo? Ganyan. Tapos parang di ako agad nakasagot. Na-realize ko, yung me time ko is, yung aking business. So para bang, kapag nag-work ako dito, parang I'm doing it for myself and I'm enjoying it and I'm happy about it. It's satisfying, it's fulfilling. So, I'm happy doing all of this. I don't see it as a work almost. So, yun, na-realize ko that my business is my me time. And then, sinabi ko yun sa friend ko. Tapos, may pinorward siya sa akin recently na video, si newscaster, pangalan nun, Karen Constantino ba? ANC, Carmina Constantino, ANC News Anchor. So, si Carmina Constantino daw, dun sa interview niya, parang nabanggit niya na yung work time niya is, my me time. Parang gano'n. Parang pareho kami, 'di ba? Kaya finorward to sa akin ng friend ko kasi naalala niya yung sinabi ko na my work time is my me time. Pero, naisip ko naman, grabe naman yung me time niya. Kasi full-time job yun eh, di ba? Tsaka parang demanding yung trabaho niya. Pero nabanggit niya doon, pinanood ko yung video, nabanggit niya doon na, kasi I see myself as a mom is the full-time job. And I also feel the same way, you know? Like, my full-time job is actually being a mom. So, parang wala lang, natuwa lang ako na yung news anchor na yun, na parang meron siyang full-time job and very demanding job. Pero nakikita niya pa din yun as just her me time. And I think that's why it's important na we love what we're doing kasi that's how it will feel. Mula nung nag-business ako, na-realize ko na I think I will not go back to teaching kasi I never felt this way sa teaching. Sa teaching kasi dati, I feel like I'm always dragging myself na pumunta sa trabaho, mag-work, di ba? Parang work talaga siya. May pressure, hindi ko siya masyadong na-enjoy. Maybe I enjoyed it like parang few years, pero yun nga, habang tumatagal, I feel like I'm not enjoying the job. Pero ito, I really feel like itong business na to, online selling business, I feel like it's really me, it's really for me. Na-share ko lang kasi nga parang I'm happy today na I had extra 30 minutes of me time. Lalo na kasi mas nag-enjoy ako dahil parang bawi ko yun sa sarili ko dahil pag may work si husband, kahapon may work siya, in the last 3 days may work siya. So parang pagod na pagod ako sa mga bata. So parang I'm looking forward sa sa mga araw na ganito, na nandito yung aking asawa, kaya niya bantayan yung mga bata, and I can have my me time. Diba? Anyways, yan. Papasok na ako, baka gising na rin naman sila, and then family time na, back to mommy duty. Ken! What flavor are you gonna get?
Well, I want to get the separate.
This is caramel brownie. How about Lucas? Okay, yeah, go. You can do it.
The other hand.
You want me to do this or you want me to hold?
Can you do this?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, good? This is for Andrew and Mommy. Okay, this one okay? Yeah? He's so happy. What else, Lucas? A lot of flavors in there.
But it's actually mixed flavor.
Yeah. Daddy got a lot of chocolatey brownies. Then Andrew and Mommy got, what's that? Popping boba?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, yeah. And then the other half is for Mommy, the chocolate. Look! Oh, that one. You missed the look. Look you! Andrew, what are you doing?
I do mixing.
You're mixing. What's that?
This one, I dump it.
Dump it?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's chili.
Chili?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Who cook it?
Daddy.
Daddy only?
Yeah.
Did
Did
you
Andrew
help
help?
him?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I do mix.
You mix and then? Did you cut onion too?
Yeah.
What else?
Dump it.
You dump it too?
Yeah.
You dump the
Show mommy
beans?
how you dump it. Show mommy how you dump it like that. Yeah, see
Oh, I wish I videoed that. Happy Daddy is cooking. Pero mamaya madami akong hugasin for sure. Nagturuan kami, nag-aral kami ni Lucas. We didn't study for almost 2 weeks, Daddy. We did a little bit because he was sick for almost 2 weeks. On and off. So on and off din yung pag-aaral namin. Pero kanina ni-review ko yung lesson plan namin. Yung lesson plan ko, ang dami niya na-miss. So sabi ko sa kanya, double time kami. So habang nag-aaral kami kanina, ayan, nagluluto na itong si Andrew at si Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Oh my God, my nose. It's so big. Magang-maga na yung ilong ko.
I do choose.
Choose what?
Halata ba na buntis? Sa ilong pa lang halata na buntis ako. Tapos yung tiyan ko biglang laki in the past few days. Lucas, how many more days before Maya is out? 17. He's counting since 21 days, so. Andrew,
Yes, mommy.
are you hungry?
Yes, mommy.
Are you sure?
Yes, mommy.
Open your mouth. Yummy? Masarap. Lucas.
I don't mind.
What are you playing?
Monopoly.
Monopoly. Ang aga namin nag-dinner pala noon, mga 6:30 pa lang. So ngayon, ang haba pa ng gabi namin. Kahit pagod na ako, laro muna. Tapos maya maliligo na kami. So for now, we're gonna say
Bye.
bye! Thank you for watching!
For watching.
Till the next
Happy
video.
sewing.